Welcome back. Today we're gonna have a nice drive with my old childhood friend on the bike. This is a really narrow, niche, small road. Not a lot of people know actually. That's why we hope there's not a lot of traffic. But it's really twisty and a lot of fun. I think on the uphill the bike is gonna lead, and on the downhill I will lead. So I'm gonna let him go here. I will leave some space to him because yeah, in the corners I'm faster. This is the best sign. You know there's a twisty road coming up. Again, one of those corners that gets tighter. And this is also the road up to a ski resort. You can go skiing up there, and there probably are a lot of people skiing right now because it is a Sunday, weather is beautiful, we still have snow on the mountains. Yeah, if I'd ski right now, I'd do the same.
But I drive cars.
But yeah, I drive cars. If you wanna watch us do skiing or other sports stuff, check out this channel right here, Barry and Bush, where I do some fun challenges and sport stuff with my good old friend Fabian. He's a free skier, Red Bull athlete, which just has been at the Olympics, and he really had a great run. But somehow the judging was off, and yeah, it's always in sports with judges, it's a bit weird. It's not really, you don't have a time to measure, it's just dependent on how people feel about you. And I don't think that's really fair, but yeah. Story for another video, I guess. Ooh, the sun is gone suddenly. It's getting cold. Again, the best sign. 4 kilometers of twisty roads. Who doesn't love that? But I think I need some more space between me and the bike. So I'm gonna take it a bit chill for now. As always, 90 on my speedo is actually 80 on the GPS. I have it right here. Yeah, we just catch up too fast to the bike. But he also has a really nice pace. I don't see a lot of bikers going that fast in corners here in Switzerland. He just pulls off, wow. Yeah, some people just don't know how to overtake. Sad. That was a bit too fast. Yeah, because if you're following a bike, it's actually pretty on all these corners. Let's not cut any. In a bike, it's also difficult to obey the speed limit because you can't always watch the dashboard. You're just too focused on driving. Oh, wow. road presence of the Lotus and also this bike is actually quite significant. If you see it coming from behind, you're just like, oh shit! What is coming there? It's so flat, so wide, so small. You almost can't see it in the rear view mirror.
Because I can't see your bike.
True. Especially in your SUV. If you're driving behind an SUV and you're kind of tailgating him, he can't see you because you're too low. Yeah, but I must say for a Sunday, there is not much traffic. I think we also chose a really good time because it's lunchtime here and most people, this is the thing with Swiss people, at 12 o'clock they have to eat lunch. There's no minute after or before, it's 12 o'clock on the point. So mostly that's the best time for riding on a weekend or early in the morning or late in the evening. But I think lunchtime, especially with the nice weather, is perfect. Oh yeah, you do see the dust on the windscreen. That is sand from the Sahara Desert. Yeah, desert it's called. It gets carried all the way here to Switzerland and that's why you see it's kind of, the air is kind of milky. It's not really clear. Oh yes, nice long corner here. Oh, it's so bumpy though. These farmers roads, these back roads are so good, but they are really bumpy. You need to watch out. Suspension of your car really has to be good. And on a bike, it's also a bit more tricky because you only have two wheels touching the ground. But you can definitely have a jump on some of these bumps here. Alright, we are at the top of the Fruit mountain pass, I guess. And now we're just turning around to get the downhill. Maybe let's wait a little bit. Danke, ja. Okay. No car oncoming, so we can use the whole road. The mechanical grip of this car is just unbelievable. First fun corner, I guess. Make sure to not exceed the speed limit, which sometimes is a bit difficult. These roads are nice for an 80 speed limit, but sometimes it's not enough. You just want to ring it out a bit more. Oh, it doesn't get boring. I don't think this ever gets boring. And you almost can't believe it, but we are obeying the speed limit here. I can chill a bit and wait for the biker. There he is coming. No one coming from behind, so we have some space. Yeah, someone is there. Let's quickly chill for a second. That sound. Okay, let's go. Two very fun long corners. First a little bit of trail braking, now on the gas already. Downshift for this tighter turn, also a really long turn. That tail is coming around so nicely. Wow. Oh. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. Chasing a biker, being chased by a biker, is just so much fun. I love riding with bikers. And yeah, I have no other choice because all my friends are bikers, basically. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you want to watch another ride where I go driving with my best friend on the bike, check out this video up here. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.